Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth protein powder using an easy method. First, you will need a good quality bone broth. This can be homemade or purchased, but make sure it is very concentrated. Once you have your broth, chill it completely in the refrigerator. This step is crucial because it allows the fat to rise to the top and solidify, making it easy to remove later on. This preparation ensures a pure protein powder. Now that your broth is chilled, carefully remove the solid fat layer from the top. You can discard this or save it for other uses. Next, spread the gelatinous broth very thinly and evenly onto dehydrator trays. Using parchment paper or silicone mats will prevent sticking. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, ideally around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the nutrients and ensure even drying. Keep dehydrating the broth until it is completely brittle and dry. This can take anywhere from 8 to 12 hours, depending on how thinly you spread it and your dehydrator's efficiency. You'll know it's ready when the pieces snap easily rather than bending. Once fully dry, remove the brittle sheets from the dehydrator. Break these dried pieces into smaller fragments. This will make the next step of powdering much easier and more efficient. For the final step, transfer your dried broth fragments into a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. If you notice any larger pieces, you can sift the powder and re-blend the coarser bits. Once powdered, store your homemade bone broth protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It's a fantastic way to add extra protein to your diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.